a function if maps the sets of natural number to whole number. It maps the set of natural number to whole number such that fxy equals to fx into fy plus fx plus fy for all x and y, and fp equals to 1 for every prime number p, then the value of f of 1,60,000, right? Okay. So, we have to find the value of f of 1,60,000. Okay. This function is fxy is equals to fx into fy plus fx plus fy. Okay. Now, fp is 1, right? Okay. We have to find f of 1,60,000. Let us say f of 1,60,000. Now, this is nothing but f of 16, which is 2 to the power 4 into 10,000. 10,000 is 10 to the power 4, that is 2 to the power 4 into 5 to the power 4, right. So, basically you have to find f of 2 to the power 8 into 5 to the power 4, okay, right. Now, fp is 1, where p is the prime number, right, fp is 1, okay. So, this is f to the power 2. Now, what I can do is f of xy, if I add plus 1 both side, I will get fx fy plus fx plus fy plus 1, or I can say this as, if I take, or okay, just a minute. So, I can also say that f of xy plus 1 is, I can take fx common, here I will get fy plus 1, and here 1 common, fy plus 1. So, I can say fxy plus 1 will be fx plus 1 into fy plus 1. So, I can get it like this. So, fxy plus 1 is fx plus 1 plus fy plus 1. Now, what I can say is, here you have to find f of 2 to the power 8 plus 5 to the power 8, right, correct. If I take this as x and this is as y, I can take this as x and this as y. So, I can say f of 2 to the power 8 into 5 to the power 4 plus 1, I can say this is f of 2 to the power 8 plus 1 into f of 5 to the power 4 plus 1, right. I can write like this, okay. Now, let us see the pattern, right, okay. Here f of 2 plus 1, let me find it, f of 2 plus 1, how it's look, f of 2 plus 1, right, okay. F of 2 is a prime number, so f of 2 is 1, so it will be 1 plus 1, it will be 2 to the power 1, right, okay. Let us find f of 2 square plus 1, okay, f of 2 square plus 1. Now, f of 2 square plus 1, okay, f of 2 square plus 1, it will be what? So, I can write f of 2 square, right, okay, just a minute. So, I will write it as f of 2 square plus 1, right. So, let me write it. So, f of 2 square plus 1, we can write f of 2 into 2 plus 1. By using this concept, I can write it will be f of 2 plus 1 into f of 2 plus 1. So, f of 2 is again 1, so it is 1 plus 1 is 1 and f is again plus 1 plus 1. So, 2 into 2 is a 2 square. So, you see f2 plus 1 is 2 to the power 1, f2 square is 2 square plus 1 is 2 to the power 2. In same way, we can say f to the power 2 to the power 8 plus 1 will be 2 to the power 8. Okay. So, f 2 to the power 8 plus 1 will be 2 to the power 8. So, this bracket will be 2 to the power 8. Now, let me find this the second one, right. Okay. Second one, see, f of 5 to the power 1 plus 1, f5, 5 is a prime number. So, f5 is 1. So, it will be 1 plus 1, 2. F of 5 square plus 1, I can use this concept, 5 square is 5 into 5. So, it will be f of 5 plus 1 into f of 5 plus 1, I mean like this. F of 5 is 1, so it is 1 plus 1 is 2, so 2 into 2, 2 square. And same way we can say f to the power 3 plus 1 will be f of 5 to the power 3 plus 1 will be 2 to the power 3, like that. So, f of 5 to the power 4 plus 1 will be 2 to the power 4 plus 1 in similar way, right. Sorry, it will be 2 to the power 4, not 2 to the power 4 plus 1, sorry, I made a mistake. It will be just 2 to the power 4. So, basically f to the power, f of 5 to the power 4 plus 1 will be, this will be also 2 to the power 4, this will be 2 to the power 4, right. Okay. So, from here this is 2 to the power 8 and 2 to the power 4, so 2 to the power 12, which is 4096, okay. That is f of this plus 1, okay. So, therefore, f of 2 to the power 8 into 5 to the power 4 will be 4096, it will be 4096 minus 1, which is 4095. So, it will be 4095. So, the answer will be 4095, which is option 3. I hope this is clear.